What's going on YouTube? I got some Dollar General tins that I found. They're $10 each. They got the Vaporeon, Jolteon, and the Flareon tin. Flareon was always my favorite growing up, so we'll open that one another time. We will start off with the Vaporeon. Inside the tin you get one of three promos, which we have all, and 3 TCG booster packs. So let's see what we get. I believe they are X and Y packs, but we will find out here very shortly. Then, of course, we have the promo Vaporeon. Pretty cool artwork. We'll set him right there. Got a Fates Collide, Ancient Origins, and Roaring Skies. So let's go with the Fates Collide first. Zygarde on the back card. Code card. 3 to the front. Alright, we got a Kangaskhan. Chinchino. Shuckle, Jigglypuff, Deerling, Riolu, Snubble, hiding under a table, Pinnacle, a reverse holo Fennekin, and a Mandibuzz, regular rare. Okay, Ancient Origins up next. Yeah, these dollar store deals are pretty good. Code card. $10 for 3 packs, plus a promo and a tin. Can't go wrong there. Alright, we got a Sableye. Metang. Energy Recycler. Baltoy. Malamar. Golett. Ralts, Persian, Maniacal Persian, Reverse Holo Happy Gloom, and a Metagross, regular rare. And last up we got a Roaring Skies. Let's see what we get here. There's your code card. 3 to the front. Fletchinder. Fearow. Togetic. Fletchling. Execute. Bagon, Lost in the Forest. Swablu. Electric. Reverse Holo Talo, and a Dragonite. Oh, cool artwork. However, regular rare. So, we did only get 3 regular rares. Hopefully in the next 10 we can get some better pulls. Come on back tomorrow and we will open up the Jolteon tin.